All right, the first one, let's take a look here. I have not opened this one yet. This is a blind opening, so hopefully it's not something crazy in there. Ooh, works great. Harbor Freight, man. Got them Rambo knives. All right, let's see what's in here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh, Pekka. Oh, it's Sophie. Yeah, this guy's cool. He sends a lot of stickers. All right, let's take a look at what's in here. Nice printed stuff. There we go. All right, guys, that is Sophie right there with the hand drawn. There we go, right there. You guys see him right there? And like I said, he always sends us a ton of stuff, man. Good dude. I appreciate you, Sophie. And again, these are going in people's orders. I do not keep these. I send them out. I am a sticker distributor. So if you want to get your stickers out there, send me some slaps at GR PO Box 80932, Seattle, Washington. I'll put them in people's orders. You never know. It could go to Kansas. It can go to Czechoslovakia. It can go to the heart of Mongolia. You never know where those orders go. And people put them up, man. It's a great way to get your name out there. So hit us up here. Let's see here. Ooh, that Sivos is really good. You guys see that one right there? It's kind of like a 50s lady. Pinup girl. We all like a pinup girl over here. Sophie did a lot of handmaids. These are great. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right. Ooh, we got some die cuts. I think that says frack or snack. I think it's snack. Yeah, it's snack. Look at that, guys. It's Tony Montana. And what else we got here? We got Forget, the American Dream. Oh, I've seen this meme before. It's floating around the internet. Different peoples of persuasions and whatnot. I like this guy. I don't know who that is, but he looks pretty cool. Oh, we got MF Doom. Oh, it's Smack, not Snack. We got a little MF Doom Superman there. And this guy does a lot of die cuts, man. These are cool. Oh, we got the dude. We got the dude right there, and some girl with bunny ears, although she's probably a character in some franchise or something I have no idea about. GRs, you don't know what that is? Damn, dude. But I think she looks cool. I'd love to get this slap in my order. Again, if you put in an order, ask for the GR reviews, hit off, you may get her in your box. She'll come home with you. She will be your waifu, if you will. All right. So yeah, that's Sophie and friends. They always send us great stuff. Flat crew right there. Really, really good slaps, man. I appreciate it, dude. Thank you so much for sending these. All right, let's get to the next one. What do we got right here? Art Primo. Where's my Rambo knife? Just want to make sure there's no slaps there. I know this knife is ridiculous, but I like to do it for the gram. All right, or the tube, if you will. Just fun. Damn, that thing is hard to cut. There we go. Gotcha, bitch. All right, let's see what's in here. What's in here? Ooh, nice. This is Dios. We got Dios right here. There you go, guys. Dios NTK. And he sent a bunch of these. All the same. Very good. Let's see what else there is. All right. I can't read your tag, homie. What does that say? I swear I'm trying to read it, but that's just a little too hardcore for me, man. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think that says? I don't know. It looks dope, though. I like it. Very good. And he sent this. Oh, nice. Good job, dude. There's his Insta right there. Looks like slash. What is this thing called? Hyphen or whatever. Donut_CA right there. So hit him up. If you send slaps, you definitely should do this. Put your Insta in there so we can give you guys a shout out right there. You know, you never know who you'll meet in this wonderful world of graffiti. You know what I mean? Okay, then Sophie. I know Sophie's username has Sophie in it, so he's out there. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, this looks interesting. Look at those letters. What do you guys think, huh? That might be something very, very interesting. All right, so we got a smooth part right there. All right, Rambo knife. This thing is not very sharp. I mean, it's from Harbor Freight, you know what I'm saying? All right, what's in this one? What's with this one? Oh, username. Oh, it's Sicko. Or no. Civco. Wait, hold on a second. Yeah, that's Civco1. Okay, there we go. There's his Insta right there. guys can see it right there. God, I can't get the light. Should probably turn on the other light, but it's too late. So that's SIVK01 on Instagram right there. Thank you so much for sending these. Whoa, he's got a letter. Sick. All right. Hey, GR. I've been writing for about 1.5 years now, and I want to say thanks for all you and everyone at Art Primo do for the community. Thank you too, homie. I appreciate that. You guys have been a fantastic resource for not just supplies, but also knowledge. Graph has absolutely taken over my life. Yeah, you got the bug. And I have never been happier. That's sick, dude. I'm so happy to hear that. Man, only 1.5 years. These look pretty good. These are looking pretty good. Okay, what's his name? Sick Oneer. Sorry if I sent too many slaps. No. If you got good quality slaps, don't say sorry, man. That's great. We're gonna put them in people's orders. You know, the thing is, you know, as long as you're making some work that you are proud of and you try your best, we'll send them out. The only thing I don't really care for is like if you send us like a real shit ton of tags, you know what I mean? And it's like 1,000 tags in a bag, and it's like we get those all the time. I would rather you send less stickers, but send your best work. Oh wait, I have no light on me. That's okay, it's fine. You can hear me. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at his slaps. You got a bunch of handmade stuff here. You got a bunch of handmade stuff, and I can tell, you know, you got a couple tags in here, that's fine. That's no problem, I like that. But you know, you gotta mix it up. You know, you gotta put some nice throwies in there. We got some nice little piece right here. I like your style, dude. That looks pretty good, man. Good job. 1.5 years. That is impressive. Only 1.5 years. Very clean too. Look how clean those shines are on that. Man, thank you so much. We'll definitely put these in people's orders. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, I like that one a lot. All right, so let's see here. Oh, yellow and black, man. I am a sucker for yellow and black. I prefer that to silver and black, to be honest with you. Do a black fill with yellow outline. That you're welcome. Sorry, my brain's not working its best today. Yeah, we'll put these in people's boxes. I think they'll be very happy. Good job with the die cut, by the way. This guy put a lot of work into these. He's he's trying his best. You know what I mean? And that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. All right. Sorry, it's kind of hard for me to do this at this angle. My arm's kind of messed up. I have carpal tunnel on both of my arms and tennis elbow. Like, what the hell, man? You know what it is? I gotta get off the damn phone. That's what it is. We're gonna have a whole generation of young people that have all kinds of arm problems just from holding a phone. You think I'm joking, man? You think I'm joking? All right, let's see what's in this one. I gotta make some room, dude. I gotta make some room. All right, let's see what's over here. That's so cool. He sent a little letter with that. I appreciate it, dude. Oh, also, shout out to, these came from, right here. These ones came from Uprock. They're one of our wholesale customers. You should check them out, Uprock. They're in Salt Lake City. If you ever need graffiti supplies and you're in that area, we got them right there. And Catnip, this guy sent a bunch of stuff to us too. Really cool dude. Thank you very much. And I'm actually going to send him out some slaps too. So thanks a lot, Catnip. All right. Let's see what's going on here. I think I should have worn my arm brace today. All right, this one's already open. I think I opened it on accident. How do you open it on accident? I mean, I opened it not anticipating making a video. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Oh, this is more Sophie. I don't even remember when I opened this. I got slaps up the woozy. Okay, these are Sophie and Opeka. And let's see here. Oh, all right, cool. We got Hello Kitty. We got a Hello Kitty one right here. You guys can see it right there. And then we got the Wojak, the pointing Wojak. You guys know this meme, right? It's a classic. I love this one. You know, once you get made the Wojak on the internet, you lose all arguments altogether. How did the Wojak have so much staying power? I just don't get it. It's so weird. Also, we got a little anime girl right there. Let's see, right there. There we go, right there. Your waifu going in your box, homies. We got a little waifu action going in there. So, all right, that is Sophie and Moser. Oh, there's Moser right there. Shout out to Moser. There we go, right there. Sophie and Moser. Man, we got so many great slaps today. That is so cool, man. These are really gonna make people happy, man. I think it's really gonna make some people's days. All right, we got a nice. Oh yeah, I opened this one too, I guess. This I probably got months ago. Like I've been waiting to kind of stack up some envelopes. Like I've been getting envelopes, but they're kind of like small. You know what I mean? I wanted to get some big ones to show you guys. Oh, it's more Sophie. Okay, this must have been the one that I got earlier, and then I've already picked out of it. Like I said, I got so many envelopes, like I can't keep track of everything. Okay, there's Moser right there. You see Moser right there? Very, very nice. All right, cool. Very, very, very cool. All right, last but not least, this big honker right here. I gotta say it probably weighs, I'd say it's about 3 taco truck burritos heavy. So just good reference, right? You know what I mean? You put 3 taco truck burritos in here. When I was in high school, we called them baby arms. You know what that, I mean, because they're just so big. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. I think I remember who this is from. All right. Woo, 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 dangerous, dangerous. I almost cut a t-shirt. Wow, okay, and there's a book in here too. Wow, what is this actually? I don't know what this is. All right. Oh, it's Drew. Man, that guy's so cool. He always sends so much stuff. All right, so we got his little, what do they call him? The Migrants Running sticker. That's kind of like his moniker, if you will. We got some Drew tags. I love these because they're so old school. That old school one stroke, that California style where it like starts small and gets bigger. And it's just simple, but it's a quick little tag you can do like when you're tagging like the RTD buses or whatnot. Isn't that what they have? Oh, yes, 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 yes. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out. Yes, 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 we do have RTD. Ah. Jesus, man, this thing is hard to open. Look at that. RTD right there. RTD. And what's this? What's this? What? You know, I have a daughter, and I will read this to her. Actually, I don't know why he sent this to me, but I do have a daughter, and I think she will like this. I think he has kids, too. Man, thanks a lot, Drew. You never know what you get in the box. So, yeah, I'm going to keep this one. That one's for me. More tags. Tons of tags. This guy sends tons of tags, man. Very, very cool. All right. Very neat. So, yeah, more stickers. What a nice dude. I really appreciate you, Drew. So yeah, we're putting these in people's boxes, and we got the tag right there on that one. More Diary of an Awesome Friendly Kid. Why did he send these to me? Maybe because he knows I have a daughter. That might be what it is. I think she's gonna like these books. She's about ready for chapter books, so this is actually pretty good. I think she'll dig it. Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate that. I'm keeping the book. Sorry, guys. Oh yeah, he does know I have a kid. Ah, that's so funny. Can you guys see it? Oh man, that's so good. I'm gonna have to message Drew on the Instagram, let him know I got it and that he's got a video up here. I was gonna do these on the Instagram, but you know, when I do it on the stories, they disintegrate and they're gone. Look at that right there. We got Drew and Pecu. Piqué? I'm sorry, man. You know, Spanish was my first language, and it's been drilled out of me by the education system of the 80s, and I suck at it now. All right. Oh, we got a little info right there. Shout out to info right there. Very nice, very nice. Let's see here. All right, we got more of these right here. Very, very cool. Very cool. So we'll put these in people's boxes. This is his moniker. You know, and I want to support him in what he does. I know that could get a little bit ideological with some people. You know, everyone has different perspectives, you know what I'm saying? But whatever people send me, I'll throw it in a box. I mean, I'm not going to, like, discriminate on someone just because they have different ideas. You know what I mean? Like, you're allowed to have different ideas, and they should spread all over the internet. Why not spread them with stickers? You know what I mean? Speak your piece. Let people know what you want. I mean, I got some of these. We got some Antifa stickers, and these ones can be even more polarizing. But again, you know, if you send me slaps, I'll put them in people's boxes. And you know, and the thing is like, when I say that, some people will be like, "Whoa, what do you mean it's polarized? They're better because," you know, it's not what I'm saying. It's just people have different ideas about things, and I can't be here to judge that over here at Art Primo. You know what I mean? I just gotta let people send their stuff, and it'll go in people's boxes. You know, if you like it, you got yourself a cool sticker. If you don't like it, give it to someone who wants it, or I don't know, put art on top of it. It's up to you. You know, bottom line is, if you get something like this, it's not me trying to send a message. It's just, we have all kinds of stickers, all kinds of people, and I want them to feel good. Obviously, if I'm gonna have to go through these, because sometimes they use violent imagery. You know, I don't want people punching each other and stuff like that. But you know, like this is fine. You know what I mean? But if you got people punching each other, I just can't send that out. Hope you guys understand. But anyways, let me go to the closeout. All right, thanks to everybody who sent in their slaps. We'll be sure to put them in people's boxes. I got a ton right here, probably a couple thousand or more, so they'll be going out for a while. But still, they do run out, so if you want to get some in your order, make sure you add the GR hit off to your order. Just search on the search bar of the website. In fact, anything you want to find, just use the search bar. Our mobile website, I don't remember how, actually it's been a while since I've been on the mobile website, but I know on the desktop version of our website, the sidebar is really easy to find things, but you can use the search feature and you can find pretty much anything you're looking for. But anyways, yeah, it only costs a penny. It would be $0, but the website needs some kind of integer in there to work. I don't know. I just tag things. I don't know how this works. But anyways, yeah, if you get that in your order, I will get the box. I'll tag your box. Sometimes I do it on Instagram and stuff like that, but obviously I don't have time to do everybody. But I'll be sure to put some slaps in there, and you know, it could be one of these or one of these. You never know what you're gonna get. In fact, I still got some other slaps over there. But you know, I do have a couple thousand, but they may run out soon, so don't wait on it. Get your order in. And we got some great deals going right now, and since the holidays are over, well, actually, you know what? You may have some time to put in an order before Christmas. So if you're trying to get someone a present, get your order in right now, 206-365-4083, 206-365-4083. Thank you very much.